In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Design System to another file without breaking everything in Figma. The goal is to make this transfer smooth so your components, styles, and tokens stay connected and usable across your work. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. You can follow the same steps in the desktop app, but using the website keeps everything consistent for this walkthrough. Make sure you're in the workspace where your design system lives so you're looking at the right content. Next, open your page inside the file that contains your design system. In Figma, a file can have multiple pages, and your system might live on a page named something like Components or Styles. When we say, once your design is ready, that simply means your components and styles are set up the way you want them. Names are clear, variants are organized, and color and text styles are defined. The cleaner the structure here, the smoother the move feels later. Now look to the top left corner and click the Figma icon. From that menu, go to Libraries. This is where you control whether a file can be used as a source library in other files. Here, you'll see an option called Publish this file. Publishing turns your current file into a library that other files can link to, which is the safest way to move and reuse a design system without breaking instances. Before you can proceed, you'll need to upgrade your plan. Publishing libraries is a paid feature because it enables sharing components and styles across files in a controlled, reliable way. If you're part of a team, check that your workspace has the right plan and that you have permission to publish. Once upgraded, return to Libraries and choose Publish this file. You'll see what's about to be published, like components and styles, so you can confirm it's the right content. This step effectively makes your design system available to other files without manual copying. After publishing, your design system can be moved to another file by using it as a library from that other file instead of duplicating assets. This approach preserves links to components and styles, which helps prevent breakage. If you ever update something in the system file and publish again, those changes can flow to the files that use it, keeping everything in sync. If publish is unavailable or grayed out, a date, it usually means a plan or permission issue is blocking it. Address that, publish, and you're set. That's it. Open Figma, open your page, confirm your design is ready, go to Libraries, upgrade if needed, publish the file, and your design system can move safely to another file without breaking everything.